Hello, my name is Mohammad Reza Fathi. In this video, I want to introduce my software to you. I call it Welding Analyse. I create this software for my bachelor project about 9 years ago with Visual Basic. My software does some calculation about welding. Reference of this calculation is ASM handbook. The software uses these formulas for calculation. Result of calculations show us preheating temperature, solidification time, weight of HAZ, and peak temperature at a specific location. The software needs base metal thermal properties and some welding parameters. I select a calculation item, then it turns on the relative parameter. It has some tools such as conversion tools, thermal properties table, and preheating reference table. I select all calculation item, and now with these predefined parameters I click the calculation button and you can see the result of calculation. Also, it creates an Excel report for output. Here you can see the output diagram and the printable document. Now I change some parameter and you can see the difference between two diagrams. Thank you for watching this video. I will be happy if receive your feedback about my software.